Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add files to favorites. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already downloaded and installed the application. Also, I have logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. It is quite easy. If you don't know how to, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to add files to favorites. Let's say this file right here, I want to add it to favorites. Well, here's how you can do it. At the right side of each of these files, you will see these three dots, or simply called as more. Click on it right now, and something like this will open up. It's gonna give you lots and lots of options, ranging from share to simply details. But right now, what we want to do is simply add it to favorites. Just below download, you're gonna see a button like this that says add to favorites. Click on it right now. And guys, that's it. As you can see, the file has successfully been added to my favorites. That is it, guys. And if you look at the file closely, here is a star-like icon right here, indicating that it has been added to favorites. And guys, that's it. That is the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.